Krisha Lahoti. My topic is ocean animals. Animals that live in seas and oceans are called ocean and marine animals. Ocean animals use their organs to absorb oxygen dissolved in water. Some animals use their gills and some breathe with their lungs. The pollution has highly affected ocean animals and is risking their life. The more use of ocean animals the more use of ocean animals by human beings has also endangered ocean animal species. People living in coastal areas are largely dependent on ocean animals. Ocean animals for food and livelihood. Ocean animals like fishes are the main source of income and livelihood for many families. Some of the marine animals are shark, dolphin, seahorse, jellyfish, and many more. Ocean animals contributes a lot to maintain food chain. We should not throw garbage near the seas and oceans. We should take steps to protect our marine life, which is an important part of the ecosystem.